What's good, ladies and gentlemen? This is how to fix an iPhone 8 Plus. Easy money. So first, what you always have to do is get your motherfucking tools, bro. What you think I was gonna say? You gotta make sure you have some. You know what I'm saying? Y000, pentalobes, most important. These two. Pentalobes, screw. Just for getting those two out. Feel me? And you can't lift the screen off properly without doing so. Getting these out. Feel me? So let's get it started.
Shop all the rounds, yeah. Nigga, we gunning them down, yeah. Me and Fickle, yeah, we skirt off the whips, and you know that we running the town, yeah. Run up on me, mistake. Shopper gon' leave you dead up in your grave. Say you don't want me, I said okay. I don't surf on no bitch, I'm creating a wave. Me and Fickle going crazy. Yeah, she eat me up and she be saying I'm tasty. I be going dummy hard on these strikes. Ain't no time for us, ain't no time to relax.
See, now this is the part that I want to explain, because there could be a great margin for error. So basically what you want to do is you want to get a sharp tool and you want to wedge in between the frame and the screen itself, and then you want to pry it upwards. So in the next clip, you're basically going to see me finalize it. I'm wedging my way in. Boom. Now that you're inside, you want to take a plastic tool, nothing sharp, and you want to slice the adhesive that is gluing down the screen around the edges. And once you have that, then you'll be able to take off the whole entire screen. It's really that simple, ladies and gentlemen. All you really got to do is just be crafty and make sure that you're not putting your hands where they're not supposed to be, if you know what I mean. Alright, so now that we got this open, all you gotta do is just unscrew all these bolts holding the plates down, because that's where you have the connecting cables. And then once you get the bolts off and the plates off, all you gotta do is just disconnect the cables and reconnect them to the different screen. Easy work. Let's get it. Always remember to check your screws. I almost just messed up. I almost used the Y000, and that's not the right size. Always check your screws. This is the right one. Notice how if you look at that symbol, this is how you always remember. Look at the symbol.
No days off, I'm on a great run. Wale for long. Make sure that they always talk to me. Make sure these bitches ain't off of me. Make sure they give them my all, and now they know that we on. Don't ever hold your applause for me. Don't ever hold your applause for me. Don't ever hold your applause for me. Don't ever hold your applause. Real nigga shit though. Don't ever hold your applause for me. GQ man of the year, Cuddy, Drizzy, and me. Wanna wait for a little, let my wisdom increase. When you winning obese, all your haters fatigue. Got me counting my blessings, it took me Haiti to see. When you rapping, how you rapping, bitches pack up and leave.
Always want to make sure that you have good screw management. because this screw is a different size than the other two. If you peep that, this one is longer. If you put the wrong screw in the wrong place, it's gonna fuck up something. Just know that.
Silence some bitches and keep it introspective. I'm trying to stun them like everybody who second guessed it. Wale. Make sure that they always talk to me. Make sure these bitches ain't off for me. Make sure they give them my all, and now they know that we on. Don't ever hold your applause for me. 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 Don't ever hold your applause for me.
Music.
La 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 la. Inspired by women, niggas say that I treat them different. Niggas be bitches, OD bitches, I don't see no difference. Shawty, my aim is different. DC, my English iffy. Solo I be, but I'm on my feet. I got these angels with me. Tired of making money, I'm on to making history. Fuck how they feel, I keep shit realer than a documentary. Shit, I be feeling like real niggas don't make it to 50. And I be feeling Malcolm Martin and Pac would defend me. I'm focused on chicken, my quarters on frigid. Don't trust no sheep robbers, don't trust no dirty bitches. Sipping Moscato with models, having exotic dishes. But it don't mean shit unless I know that my genre respect it. I deserve praise, I deserve applause. Draws by bad bras whenever the curtains call. It's all work, no days off. I'm on a great run, Wale for long. Make sure that they always talk to me. Make sure these bitches ain't off for me. Make sure they give them my all, and now they know that we on. Don't ever hold your applause for me. 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 Real nigga shit though. Don't ever hold your applause for me. GQ Man of the Year, Cuddy, Drizzy, and me. Wanna wait for a little, let my wisdom increase. When you winning obese, all your haters fatigue. Got me counting my blessings, it took me Haiti to see. When you rapping, how you rapping, bitches pack up and leave. When you rapping, now I'm rapping, they fellatio free. I was pacing myself, hope you patient as me. Plus I got a lot of niggas ain't make it to see it. We black niggas with ambition, they gon' respect it. And I know I'm kinda vain, but what real nigga isn't? I'm trying to style on some bitches and keep it introspective. I'm trying to stun them like everybody who second guessed it. Wale. Make sure that they always talk to me. Make sure these bitches ain't off for me. Make sure they give them my all, and now they know that we on. Don't ever hold your applause for me. 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 Don't ever hold your applause for me.
Music.
La 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 women, niggas say that I treat them different. Niggas be bitches, hoes be bitches, I don't see no difference. Shawty, my aim is different. DC, my English iffy. Solo I be, but I'm on my feet. I got these angels with me. Tired of making money, I'm on to making history. Fuck how they feel, I keep shit realer than a documentary. Shit, I be feeling like real niggas don't make it to 50. And I be feeling Malcolm Martin and Pac would defend me. I'm focused on chicken, my quarters on frigid. Don't trust no sheep robbers, don't trust no dirty bitches. Sipping Moscato with models, having exotic dishes. But it don't mean shit unless I know that my genre respect it. I deserve praise, I deserve applause. Draws by bad bras whenever the curtains go. It's all work, no days off. I'm on a great run, while they for long. Make sure that they always talk to me.
Appreciate you for watching this whole entire video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what I should do next. Yeah, man, as you can see, you can literally do this on your own. It's easy money, but be mindful. I will warn you. If you are going to buy parts by yourself, make sure that you're not getting parts from a third-party member. Make sure that you are getting parts directly from whatever phone company you are rocking with. If you are trying to get an Apple repair done, motherfucker, make sure that you are getting OEM parts, aka parts that are directly from Apple. Because there are scandalous people out here, and they might give you some janky parts and say that they're OEM, say that they're legit, and they may be malfunctional. Yeah, it's real out here. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hope you learned something. Let me know in the comments what I should do next. Let's go!